Hi, Paul at Leeds Harley-Davidson here. What I've got for you this afternoon is another of our touring Harley-Davidsons. This one's the Road Glide Ultra and it's in absolutely fabulous purple fire, and it really does, when the sun hits this bike, it really does make it jump out. Everything that you could need from one of the touring Harley-Davidsons, and it's just effortless, and this bike will just eat up the miles for you. Comfort personified with the seating, rear seat passenger comfort at a premium, great storage space, and the well proven 103 engine. It's got, again, everything you'd expect from the Harley-Davidson touring bikes, of the satellite navigation, the radio, and it's just a fabulous machine. If you are thinking of doing any of the rallies or any touring, you won't go far wrong on this machine. So if you'd like to ride this bike, or for any further information, please don't hesitate to contact us at Leeds Harley-Davidson.